Well, it's Friday, March 30, 2012, and I get to go on a little bit of an adventure today. We have some issues with some structural steel that we're trying to sort out, so I get to go for a ride in a JLG. I have not done that in a number of years. I don't think it'll bother me a lot, since I've spent my life up high, and a lot of times Larry's back there leveling up the JLG basket so that we can operate it from the basket. These can be operated remotely where he's at, or from the control board right here. And it's out of level enough that it doesn't want to operate until we get it leveled back up. So Larry's in the process of straightening that out. Hopefully Larry and I are still friends, and he's going to not leave me up here. So we're kind of headed way up there. Okay, we're going up now. I'm doing a little video, Larry, so make sure you don't say... Okay, all right, make sure you don't say any bad words, so I put you on YouTube, all right, buddy? Okay. JLGs have truly revolutionized the way construction work happens. When I started in 1970, these weren't even available or even thought of, I don't think. And I would watch ironworkers routinely climb beams with no fall protection. Nowadays they have to wear about 30 pounds of gear before they even go to work. But these have made things a lot easier. And fun. Reliant tower through the crack in the wall. So it gets up here closer now. We're up above the rigging platform, the old rigging platform. You can get an idea of what these ironworkers have done. This gray column used to go all the way to the floor, way down there. And they have put this huge truss in place and connected all the old steel to the new steel. Truly a magnificent undertaking by these guys to do this. This is one of the last remaining columns, 1927 column right there, that eventually will be removed. And I apologize for the shaky video, but this thing's moving around underneath me all the time while we're doing this. Get a good look at this gentleman right here that's done an amazing job on demolition. Yeah, can you smile? All right. So we came up, we took a look at the structural issues, and we're getting ready to head back down now. What kid wouldn't like to do this for a living? Got a thing right here that would like to poke me in the back of the head. Fun on a Friday.